Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this XWind 3-in-1 air, ground, water aircraft. So let's open it up, check it out, see what it does. Pretty cool. That's the box. This is like kind of like this thing looks really wild. Alright, so that's part of the clamshell that holds that together. And that is the HoverCraft. Pretty cool. This is the remote. It looks like it comes with 2 batteries, so that's pretty neat. And the remote's going to come with a battery as well. So let's open up the kit and see everything that we get inside here. So you got some extra propellers. You got a little propeller tool. This will help pry the propeller off so you can get in there. A little screwdriver. So let's open up this remote and see what we got inside here, what it needs. So it needs 2 AA, which I think I have here. Okay, 2 AA batteries. Put that one in there. That one in there. There we go. Get that lined up again. Oh. Nice, so I had the batteries all the way seated. Okay, so that goes back in. And your screw goes back in here to hold the batteries in nice and secure. So that's cool. Glad that it comes with a little screwdriver. I guess that's turned on and off. And then you got a whole bunch of different controls on here. So it's pretty cool. Alright, let's plug in one of these batteries to charge. And it doesn't come with a charging block, so you can use like an old cell phone charger, or you can plug into your laptop, your desktop to start charging the battery. And then a red light comes on. My delusion is that red light will probably go off, or it'll turn green once it's fully charged. Okay, so the battery gets plugged in here, and you're pushing down on that, and then it will automatically start looking for the controller. So we turn the controller on, and then to connect it to the hovercraft, go up and then down, and then that is basically, that's connected. So that's hovercraft mode, and this will change into the different modes. So just kind of give you an idea. As you get more used to it, switch into different modes. You have ground, air, hover mode. So that's that. And how you change this into different positions. Let's disconnect the battery, and I'll show you how you do. So you basically just squeeze it on the sides and you lift up on that. So that is obviously hovercraft mode. So you can use that for land or water. So land, you kind of need like a smoother surface, like a really smooth driveway, or like a wooden floor or something to make that work the best. And then to turn this into a drone, you're basically pushing on this button here, and that's going to disconnect it from the hovercraft mode. And then these propellers transition. So move it nice and slow and controlled, and both at the same time. And then that's going to basically put it into your drone mode. So same thing, we'll push the battery down, get that connected. And same way to connect it. And then you are basically hitting accelerate to take off. So very cool. So that's your drone mode. And let's turn this off. Now we'll pull the battery out. And then we'll put it back into land and sea mode. So basically just kind of like push it down, and you'll feel it kind of clip on these two clips. All right, so it's clipped in, clipped out, clipped in again. So pretty neat. And then we'll plug this battery. We'll charge it as we go. And then remember, we want to turn these back up. So that will get us the propulsion we need for land and sea. And then we'll try to figure out the mode buttons a little bit better. I know it was kind of like unclear in some of the descriptions, but we'll get it going. But at least we know that blue is your drone mode, so that's probably the most important one there. Anyway, let's go out to the lake and we'll see how it does on land and sea. We'll be right back. Alright, let's go down to the lake and see how it does in water mode. Okay, so down at the lake, and we're going to try it in the water hover mode. So we're going to turn on the remote. We're going to pair it. So remember, red is for the drone mode. Blue is for basically ground or land. And then the bluish pink is going to be for sea. So let's put it in water, see how it does. Anyway, pretty cool. Land, sea, and air. Brian from Garage Mahal, be safe out there.